All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you're watching from. My name is Sani Bube. I'm the CEO of Trade-A-Thon Academy, the foremost leading financial literacy academy in the whole world. Now, I'm doing this video because of what has been trending on the social media about a certain company that looted people's money. But I'm not exactly here to blame anybody for making investments because even in real-time investments, people lose money. But I want to highlight things I think you should always look out for before you invest in any platform. And most importantly, in this video, what I'm going to be telling you is to invest in your knowledge. Knowledge will always save you a whole lot of stress at the end of the day. So sit tight while I walk you through it. Okay, all right, guys. I'm right here to show you what the CBX interface actually looks like and to guide you through it. So I'm going to be opening, they say cbx.cx. Okay, I will start with that. Any trading platform should have a better, should I say, login parameters or name of website, as the case were. If it is not if it is not .com or something really serious, if you are seeing something like CX or whatever and it's an exchange, you should think twice. Are you getting what I'm saying? Though this may not fly with all of you, but you have to look at the dot. What is it? Is it .com? So that's, by the way. Now their website looks like a cryptocurrency trading platform where you see home markets, futures, perpetual, and all that. But the first thing I want to highlight is if you have not learned how to trade the cryptocurrency market, that means you have to sign up with a registered academy. You may not understand some of these things. For example, a very good cryptocurrency trading platform does not need to show you their certificates. Not because they don't have. If you go to companies like Binance, they won't be showing you their certificate on there. It's not necessary. They're registered, they know. All these things is just unnecessary paparazzi. Do you get what I'm saying? So how cryptocurrency works is that you come and trade these pairs, okay? You trade them based on knowledge that you have, and you have to ensure that your country has approved its regulation. For example, in Nigeria, I know that KuCoin users are asked to do their KYC. It's for a reason. It's for us to know people that are actually using the platforms for things like this. So that when money is looted, we can trace it to where the money went to. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, the second thing I want to talk about is this. Now, of course, I don't have an account with them, so these details are not necessary. I understood that they required you guys to refer people to make money here. Let me tell you guys something. Whether it's stocks trading, cryptocurrency trading, Forex, you don't need to refer anything to make money. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Any platform that comes and tells you you have to refer people before you can make money is a warning. It's a warning. That's the first thing. Then the next thing is this. When they tell you they are regulated, who are those regulating them? You need to find out. For example, the government in your country, do they recognize this trading platform? So those are some of the things you ought to look at. Now, if you look at this, you know that there are actually, okay, for example, where do you do your KYC here? No place. No place. All you see is assets when you log in and all that. So there are things you have to, not just customer service, there are things you have to look at. And then most importantly, only invest money you are willing to lose. For example, how can someone tell you that they will make 100% for you in 30 days? If that is feasible, they don't need your money in the first place. They don't need your money. 100% in 30 days. They don't need your money in the first place. So Nigerians, all the countries in Africa in diaspora, be guided when you are what? Trading. Even when you use regulated brokers, they will warn you on their website that there is a potential to lose all your funds. Yes, you should bear that in mind. Investment is risky. The way you are anticipating profit is the way you should also anticipate losses. Are you getting what I'm saying? So all of these things you are seeing here are is just a clone. I may not go into details of how you can recognize a cloned website, but what I can tell you is that any exchange that is really doing well does not need to be flaunting their certificates once you log in. It's not necessary. It's not necessary at all. So please, always ensure you speak with the right people, get the right information, and avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Don't turn your money over to people that at the end of the day they will make some promises to you that that will not happen. And as for your money in CBEX, just count it as your school fees that you have paid in the investment of life and move on with your life. Do you understand? If you want to learn how to trade, firstly, you have to do a diligent research, meet your financial advisors, learn how to trade. Invest in Nigerian stock exchange market. It's not bad. It's not bad. The other day, GTCO did public offer. You didn't invest. It's the one that will give you double this thing in 30 days. That's the one you rush into. Invest in the economy of your country. That's where I didn't even know about these guys until less than 24 hours, a bit 12 hours ago, thereabout. So focus on it, and then don't be too greedy in your money making ambition, or anything, so to speak. So please ensure you do your KYC with any platform you are using, because currently Nigerians are approved. Okay, you guys can trade cryptocurrency, but you have to do your KYC. Do it. You are trading Forex, you are using a broker. Make sure the broker is regulated. Ask questions and find out. Don't feel, let me invest so that my neighbors don't know. So I'll just come and drive one car and surprise them. You end up surprising yourself. And I'll end this video at this point. I may still come back to do yet another video, but this is just the best I can show you. There are other ways to know scam, what's it called? Plant, this is just a cloned, this rubbish actually. This is just a cloned platform. And I'm not surprised at where they ended up. So please invest in your knowledge, learn how to trade yourself, and manage your money yourself. Thank you. Okay guys, so I believe at the end of this video you've been able to learn a thing or two. I'm still going to do a repeat to guide us through the process, but always look before you leap. Seek financial advice from people who are really doing it. And if for any reason you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me through this handle or through our email address. And I'll see you in the next video.